deep in the relative nature flows so well. Like you and me goes to the beat. We're so perfect on paper, think the stars have a light. I'll tell you what, but they've aligned in our favor, cause we just get along. So can we just get along? La 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 la. Take me high, but I say that you takes me high. Take me high, but I say that you takes me higher. Oh, oh, take me high, that's what I said. Won't you take me high? A little bit of love I want you, giving me all of you. Now, this is a story I'ma tell right now of a life of singularity, a life so foul. This man, he ran away from love, too meticulous, particular, and never enough. What are the stranger things when you're upside down in the gauntlet where you're lost but knocking you around? It's complexion, commotion, confusion, corruption. Notice after the repercussions of a commitment concussion. He continued on with caution, a connection crusade, but she got through the armor, cut through with a blade of caring, compassion, and kindness too.